We have the Topping A50S Headphone Amp for review from a non-audiophile that is just looking for an awesome audio experience. Hey guys, my name is Matt Piccarelli. This is Intuitive Review. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. I'm new to the hi-fi listening game, and my first big budget amp DAC was from SMSL. I did have a few lower budget combo units from Fire throughout the years, and they served me well until I upgraded to the Sennheiser HD800S. I knew at that point I needed to upgrade everything. I did a lot of research, and let me tell you, you can get lost in the reviews without ever even listening to anything. Which at the end of the day, listening with your ears is the quickest decision maker. There are so many audio companies out there. Where do you even begin? I've heard of Topping, but it never made my short list until now. This is the Topping A50S, and I paired it with the SMSL SU-9 DAC. Now, this isn't a SH9 versus A50S video, but let me just say that the A50S was up there in performance and sound quality in comparison to the SH9. The Topping A50S has opened up my ears to trying out other amps. I love the design of this unit. It's small and compact with solid construction. The interface is very straightforward with everything you need on the front panel. On the back has RCA ins and outs and is available in black and silver. The A50S packs a lot of power. I had it at the 0 dB gain setting and only had to turn the volume knob up about a quarter to get a decent listening level for my HD800S. It powers these headphones with no problem. The sound of the unit is clear and transparent to my ears. My audio goals in general are to be true to the source material as much as possible and no coloration from any piece of gear. The audio quality, soundstage, depth, and detail is very comparable to the SH9 amp. I'd say the A50S packs more power in its product. It surprised me how great the A50S sounded in such a compact product design. Question of the day: what fully balanced headphone amp is worth trying out for my next video? We can talk specs all day, but what it really comes down to is if this amp works for me. I would say yes, the Topping A50S has a clean, transparent, high-quality sound that packs a lot of power in a compact unit for about $200. It does have a few features that are missing, such as XLR headphone out and a true fully balanced sound from my HD800S. I think for my next test, I'll try out the Topping A90 because it has those features added. I've done so much research, and what I've noticed is just trying out the gear is your best option to help you make that decision. APOS Audio offers a 45-day, no question asked return policy, free shipping, price match guarantee, and a 2-year APOS Audio warranty. You really can't beat that deal. Links are in the description below to get started. And if you found this video useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel to help support. Every little bit counts. Thanks for watching.